To shoot. The national one for Dave Van. And now with a full jumper, now good. And there is the overfill. And sort of the goal game, the first quarter starts now for the second game. Knight with the first possession, Ignacio, the ball is deflected but still remains with the possession of the glass, no good. The putback, 3 points. Some easy. On the drive now, Custodio winds up for jumper, knocks it down. On number 12 to Vice, Vice loses the leather. Here is Apollo now with 3-pointer now. 5 to Apollonia on the middle. There would be a legal screen. Illegal play called on player number 1. On the quick jumper, knocks it down again. This time it is Baez. Here's Maragondon. Riel now uses the ball screen by Berasio. On the drive, that's a shot. Layup is good. Pass back to Garcia. Garcia winds up. Won't go. And on that jumper again, knocks it down. Abad this time. Dribble back to Abad. Abad kicks it out on the right side. The pull-up jumper again. No good this time. Fighting with the rebound. Abad with the putback. Apollonia with good handles. Going on the drive. The one-handed running shot will go. Knocking it down. Fight for Apollonia. On the spin. Now low. Reverse is good. Quick answer there. Coming from Ignacio. 13 seconds remaining. Here is Apollonia. Loses the dribble. Steal now on the front court. Here is Abad. Goes all the way.
Come on.
Custod. Here's Robosa now. Passing off to Abad. Abad for 3. From downtown, 3! Abad now with his second 3-point shot in the ball game. Back at the middle. Robosa kicks it out on the baseline for a baseline jumper and knocking it down 20. Winds up a jumper from downtown, 3! They need more of that lead. Abad now, pass number 11 again, knocks it down again for the second time. So Temasel, 2 and go. Free-to-line jumper for Apollonia. The ball game, here's Apollonia. Apollonia kicks it out for 3 from downtown, 3! Once up a 3-ball from downtown, 3! Here is Martin. Ball being done, ball started by Ignacio. Loose ball, Ignacio secures that possession. 29-22 is the whistle count. Jumper now, the number 11 knocks it down. Getting on the down, Martin passing on the right side, almost deflected. Pass now to Real with a long ball. There from downtown, 3!
Iyan lang oh.
Here's Arellano, pass it off to Ignacio. Head to shoot. Ignacio wants for Dave Van from downtown, 3! Here is Martin. Martin passing on to the job. That's a 3-point now. Send the shot ball. Wants it off. Finding on with the shot. It's Apollonia back at Riel for 3. Won't go. He handles the word. Barrientos to the young lad. Basketball. Using on the board. Here is Apollonia. And again, it's good again. 49. Here's number 4, Borsak. Borsak going, here's Bailon. Bailon to number 12, Garcia with a finger. From downtown, 3. Borsak. Ready to move from number 4, Bailon, 9 seconds. Here's number 12. Here's number 12. Off the pass. This one's for Garcia. Now for Nevada. To Bailon holding off. Bailon gets off. Bailon gets off. Oh, basket and one. Where's Bailon? Basket now is about. Aban right side for Dave. Too strong. And the ball is now with the zone. First is good. Nice little kick out, now. Back to Bailon for a long field, knocks it down. And now with a full jumper, now good. And there is the over. Next time I come to again for one. It's the slowly. It's basketball down low number 9. Number 17 down low. Hernandez kicks it out. Alba out the last 2 points again. And Alba now getting more points in his name. On the drive, the home play will go. The defense still coming down. Reverse now, 2 points for Yama. Hernandez passing off for Nako. And Nako something moves up for the night. And Nako again, passing now. On the jumper and knocks it down. That is the head with his first 2 points in the middle. Here's 3-1-2. Here's Leon does not catch. Not get an open lead, but gets an open lead. And even the open position on the but there will be a team to clean up the mess. And that will be on the field. Another open player lead for United Boys. Cutting down the lead. 61. Adriano, post up from behind, taking from the back to take on foul. Drawing foul, hold on there, number 4. Working on the shot clock. On that jumper, knocks it down. That's Robosa. Here's Robosa, heavily guarding this time for Ambuona. Kicks it out to Bailon. Bailon bounce pass to the inside. Look there. Good defense coming from Ambulance. And the foul was moved on the number 12. Open up. This is the dribble. Back it up to Ambulance. Stand on the shot clock. And there will be a holding foul. Holding foul, hold on. There will be a little. Here is Ambulance. Ambulance now on the middle. Goes on the drive. That's the lead. No good. Good catch there for Dow. Shot off down to 14. Here's Robosa. Robosa picks it out Medina for 3. Bang! Good downtown. Rudy! Here is Martin Morris, running his offense. Pass now on the right side, left side. In the middle, Bernardo with a fader, knocks it down. Martin Morris, pass now to Riel. Riel, ball on the drive, the folder, knocks it down. 13-48, 72-59. Here is Martin again of the steal. Bernardo Valentina, Lampalona in the finish, and final goal. Now moves the ball in. Passing off on the right side of the field. Bang for Deontay Murray. And the lead is 70. Here's Apollonia down now. Backwards player, Bernardo with inside, on the last, coming from down the 66. Yeah, just 29 seconds. And what the rebounds in the ball game. Maynor, a shot assist from Garcia. And the last one, you are taking the ball for Maynor. Final goal for Martin predicting bias. Abba with a shot and up and under move. Abba secures 79-6. Last 2 minutes. Knock it off at the unbelievable secures up and we go 1-0. Ball tap by number 7 Robosa. Good steal. Here's Robosa with a full of jumper to make a basket. No good. The 8th goal for Garcia. Another 2 points. Here's Casona on the floor. Pass down. The big man can't get anyone. Guarded by Dow. Carlos Montenegro, 14 on the shot clock. Pass now to number 12. Garcia, water goal, the one-handed shot. No good at that pull-up. Go better with the rebound. Have the rebound. The putback is good for Robosa. 20 seconds remaining. Lights up a 3 ball. One goal. Shot clock 2 goals. And 15 seconds remaining. And they will run out that clock. That's the deal.